Hi everyone, I am Mary Jessamay Kamba, and today we're gonna be tackling about the Eastern Orthodox Church and Eastern Christianity. So let's start with the Orthodox Church. So the Eastern Orthodox Church. The Eastern Orthodox Church is the biggest part of the Eastern Christianity with over 2,000 million members. It is made up of independent churches, Greek, Russian, and Serbian, but they are united in the same faith. The spiritual leader is the Iconumeral Patriarch of Constantinople, but each governs itself. So, what are the beliefs? So, the belief is they believe in the Holy Trinity and Nicene of Sid and aim for theosis, becoming closer to God. Accept seven sacraments: baptism, arsenists, and marriage. Contribution is preserve early Christian tradition, writings, and liturgy. In art, icons, mosaics, architecture, domes, and music chants. Shape culture and history in Greece, Russia, and many Eastern European countries. The Orthodox Church is active worldwide, strong communities in Greece, Russia, Eastern Europe, and the Middle East, and the Americas, respected for its ancient tradition and spiritual life. That's all. Thank you. Tackle about the Eastern Christianity. So, Eastern Christianity is one of the two big groups in Christian. The other is Western Christianity. It started in the eastern part of the Roman Empire. It includes many churches that share old tradition prayers and worship styles. So the main groups are Orthodox Church, Oriental Orthodox Church, Church of the East, and Eastern Catholic churches. So the belief in the practices in this is belief in the Holy Trinity, use divine liturgy, special worship service with hymns, intents, and prayers. Respect icons like holy image and have seven sacraments like baptism, yeah, and other, yeah. Strong tradition in monks and nuns. So where found? Eastern Europe is on Russia, Greece, Serbia, and Ukraine. Middle East in Egypt, Lebanon, and yeah. Africa is in Ethiopia and Eritrea. India, Kerala, and that's all. Thank you.